Hi, we're here today at eimports4Less, filming a short video about a vehicle we've got available for sale here today. This is a 2015, it's a Mercedes-Benz SL400. This is an AMG Sport Package convertible. Black car, black interior. Only 17,000 original miles on this car. Let's take a quick walk around it here, tell you a little bit about it. 19-inch wheels, you can see the AMG Sport wheels and the AMG body kit on this. The Sport body kit on this car makes a huge difference. You could spot this from across the parking lot. Nice clean overall condition here. Does have nice equipment. So it's got keyless go, it's got xenon headlamps, front and rear park distance control, backup camera, Harman kardon audio, heated seats, cooled seats, the heated neck scarf. Like I said, black car, black interior. Spin around here. Nothing really to talk about condition-wise. Car's got teenage miles on it. Really nice, clean condition overall. Car hasn't been detailed yet either. Our detail shop will take care of making this one look like brand new. So let's take a quick look at the interior here. See the seating in this one. This one does have the Magic Sky control roof also, which is a nice option on these. It's got a panoramic moonroof, so the convertible top that folds down is glass on the top, and it's got just one button, turns it into a mirror, so there's no light coming in. It's really nice on the days that you don't want the sunlight shining in on you. So a lot of shadows out here. You can't really see too much on this interior, but super clean, looks nice, smells nice, nice equipment. So illuminated door sills, you could see that the Mercedes-Benz lights up. So clean overall condition. Again, black and black, 2015. Only 17,000 original miles on this one. So super clean car, one owner, clean history, all that. And you can see all the details, Carfax report, all of that stuff on our website at eimports.com. If you want to own this one, you want this one in your garage, give us a call, 215-249-9100. Thanks for checking it out.